Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna be doing a chatty get ready with me using the new Dose of Colors Desi Katy Friendcation collection, I think is what it's called. I know everybody's going to be doing like swatching, tutorials, reviews, whatever. I honestly just wanted to sit down and play with this because I am actually on my way to the event or the launch party for this collection. It starts in about 30 minutes, so I gotta get going, hence the robe. But yeah, so I just thought that we would sit down and kind of play around with the products. This is the look that I created. It's very like Cleopatra drag. All right guys, so let's jump into the video because I gotta get going. Okay, so I'm prepping just with these little under eye patches. I get them on Amazon. So the whole reason that I want to do this is because Dirty Money is just like too much for me. When I saw it, I was like, I have to wear that. I've already got some primer on my lids. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M521 brush and I'm gonna start like buffing necessary in the crease. I was so excited for this collection to come out. It's so beautiful. Like, oh, well, I knew they were gonna do a second. I knew it, like they had to. There was no way they weren't gonna do that. So I'm just doing that like wash that I've been so obsessed with. I just like really like bringing it all the way up to my brow bone. I feel like it looks, I don't know, very like celebrity red carpet. So I'm actually getting ready for the launch party at the Dose of Colors headquarters. Their parties are always so much fun. I mean, like Anna pretty much just runs around with shots and like just wants everyone to have a really good time. So it's really fun. All right, I'm gonna grab Churro now right here and I'm just gonna build up the crease. I feel like I need a pop of blue. Oh, I'm wearing Desio contacts. I think they're called like something gray. It's from their Attitude collection. And then on that same brush, I'm just gonna pick up, what is this? Cheens, this guy right here, it's dark brown. Place this on the outer corner and then kind of like buff it. I wish I had a blending brush that was like in between this size and like something smaller. If I ever came out with a brush collection, that would be like the first one I did, would be like a detail natural hair or like this kind of bristle. I don't know if that would probably be synthetic, but I'm gonna leave that like a little bit harsh just because I haven't done my foundation yet and I wanna like blow it out a little. And I'm gonna wait until I have my foundation so that I can like finish kind of like doing this dramatic wing. So I tried keto. I was gonna vlog it. It was gonna be this whole thing. I did it for 5 days, which is a testament to my willpower because it basically doesn't exist. I just hated every second of it. It's not that it was hard. It wasn't. I mean, like I missed certain foods, but eating more fat kept me fuller longer. So it's not like I was hungry or anything. I just wasn't enjoying like what I was eating. And then I was talking to my brother and he was like, what is wrong with burning carbs for energy? Like, what's wrong with it? I don't know. I don't think keto is sustainable, and I just like, if it's not fun, you shouldn't do it. Like, I think you should find like a healthy way to eat and make sure that you're like getting your vitamins and taking care of yourself, but that you actually like enjoy. And keto just was not it for me. I think I need to just like focus more on getting on track and keeping myself there than like doing some weird diet or something, you know? I don't want to do a halo, but I just want to connect these shades. I guess that's fine. I kind of regret that decision. This is my first ever like get ready with me for an event type situation because I feel like my favorite thing to do is just listen to like a podcast or something and just take like 3 hours to do my makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with Dirty Money. I'm gonna put this all over the lid. I'm gonna try it with a brush first. God, it's so perfect. I'm using my City Color CCB 103 brush. Doing pretty well. I usually use this on my lower lash line, but it's actually good for packing on. Damn, man. Oh my god, I love that color so much. I actually don't think I'm gonna try to intensify it. Like, I'm not gonna spritz it with any MAC Fix Plus because I don't want to like risk making it look too crazy. I did get a tiny bit of follow, but like really not that much. Okay, my camera stopped and I didn't notice. So I just went in with some primer. I used, where did it go? I used the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection pre-makeup base. I used kind of a lot of it. I'm waiting for it to like sink in a little bit. And I was just going in with my Ben Nye color corrector underneath my eyes. I've just been like really into this lately. Now that I have like a little bit of the filler and the skin underneath my eyes is like a little bit higher. It's so weird to talk about. I feel like I can actually do color correcting and it makes a difference when it comes to the pigment.
What is this thing that you're doing?
It's these two chicks collaborated with the brand to come out with like a collection, and so this is like the launch party. They're personalities, two personalities who like collaborated with the brand a little while ago, and now they're doing like a round 2.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Well, I'm actually filming it, so I have to go.
Oh shit.
I just want to carve out my brows really quickly, so I'm just using the Kogendo Aqua foundation. This is in the shade 143, I think. I'm just gonna start out by like going around my brows. And I'm just going to be applying that with my beauty blender, which I haven't used in such a long time. All right, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of light neutral Shape Tape first. All right, I just contoured my nose really quickly, but like nobody needs to see that, so I didn't film it. I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer. I love this. It is so fantastic. And I'm just gonna use this as like my under bronze. My only problem with this is that it smells like Play-Doh. But I really love using like a cream bronzer first and then layering over it. I think it's just, I don't know, it adds dimension. I'm gonna blend that out using my NYX, whatever this brush is. All right, now for a little bit more brightening underneath my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond. This is my favorite part of makeup, just so everybody knows. Can't live without it. All right, I'm going back into my eyes with Necessary on that fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna wing this out. Just like make sure that I'm really blending it up into the brow bone, because I want this to be smoke. All right, I don't know what to do for the lower lash line because I think I'm gonna make it really smoky, like really, really dark. I don't know what I wanna put in my waterline. I kinda wanna do something red. Is that crazy? I think I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs highlighter in the shade Glam Jam. I actually just used this in my last video, but I don't know, I just want like I want a pop. Shh. Is that too red? Shh, I'm kind of into it. So I'm actually gonna start off with the dark brown color, go over that red. It kind of tones it down, but then you still see that pop. Oh, that is not gonna be good for the contacts. Okay, if you could stop, that'd be great. This is gonna be smoke. Okay. And then I'm gonna pick up Basic, buff the line between my under eye and the lower lash line. I didn't think I was really gonna use this shade, but it's actually perfect for this. So I don't know if you guys have been following the looks that I've been doing for Pat McGrath, but this that I'm doing right now is very evocative of those looks. So you can kind of apply this process that I've been doing. Okay, for the inner corner, I am going to go into this shade right here. A Moment, perfect name for it. It's a purple blue shift, but it's also got like a, almost like a turquoisey shift in there too. It's kind of like blue, purple, and then turquoise. I feel very like Egyptian right now. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit more contouring with the Dior Show Universal Contour Palette. I don't know if I need it, but I want more bronze. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Golden Gal from BH. Yeah, I definitely didn't need it, but. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit, what is this called? Gold Rush blush? It's like one of my favorite blushes. All right, I'm actually gonna bake underneath my eyes for just like 2 seconds. So I'm gonna use Pound Cake from Huda Beauty. All right, I'm just gonna wait for this to bake for a little while. So my boyfriend and I are watching Ozark, and I know everybody's obsessed with it, but you guys, I'm about to say something really controversial. It's so badly written. I feel like it had potential, like if the first episode had some good scenes that were interesting, and I was like, okay. And I think Jason Bateman is like really good in it, and I like Laura Linney in it. Especially the kids, man, the writing for the kids is so bad. I don't know. I'm still gonna watch it, but I just don't think it's very good. I guess I'll do my highlight while we're waiting. So I'm going to use Fuego, because the other one is too dark for me. Still. Fuego is actually like kind of dark for me. A fresh highlight, man. Is there anything better? All right, so I just put on the Hourglass Caution Mascara and some Iconics because I need to move this shit along. I can't do everything on camera. Oh, and I'm wearing the Iconics because I don't own Queen Bees, and this is a Desi Katy look, so I had to do something, you know? All right, for my lips, I'm gonna go in with a Mauve Story because, I don't know, I just feel like that nude is gonna be the most flattering. And then I might dip into No Shade from the first collection. But first I'm gonna line my lips. I'm going to be using MAC Strip Down. I'm actually gonna steal Katy's trick for overlining. Now I'm gonna go in with MAC Stone to do some shading. Now I'm gonna go in with a Mauve Story, blend into that. All right, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of No Shade and place this like right in the center of my lips. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I realize I look like a totally different person. I mean, the contacts, obviously, I've got the Hoey lips going. I've got this like Cleopatra eye. I actually need to wrap this shit up because the event starts in 30 minutes and it's about 30 minutes away. So yeah, I gotta go. But I hope that you guys enjoyed getting ready with me for this event. Please let me know what you think of this collection. If you guys got anything, please let me know. I think it's absolutely stunning, obviously. Like, I know everybody's gonna be doing swatch videos, but I just wanted to play around. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.